Hey, what's up guys? Alright, so I am on my way to be making some brilliant chicken shawarma, but I thought if I can actually go out and check out what our neighbors around Arab Street are doing when it comes to their chicken shawarma, and how I can actually teach you how to make it maybe a bit more nutritious, healthier, in a bit of the gaps, and so on. So let's see what the chicken shawarma in the shops actually have for us. Let's go. For my chicken shawarma, cost me $10, and it looks pretty amazing actually. There's quite a lot of veggies in there. I'll show you guys later on, but I can't wait to sink in and see what they actually did with my chicken shawarma for $10. Alright guys, so I got my chicken shawarma. That literally took me probably like 4 minutes wait, and to walk from where I'm working to get the chicken shawarma took me probably like an additional 4 minutes. So it's like 2 minutes walk, 2 minutes back, so it wasn't that long at all. So I guess just gotta see what's inside, share with you guys, and then probably we can make our own chicken shawarma. Alright guys, so I have made my very own version of chicken shawarma. You can actually see right in front of me. It's pretty simple to make. I've used chicken thighs in this and marinated in some awesome sauce. I'll show you guys how to make it a little later on. But here it is. This is the chicken shawarma that I bought earlier today, as you can tell, right? So I guess it's toasted, and I don't really have a toaster, but if you do have a toaster, then by all means toast your chicken shawarma. But I'm just gonna crack this open and just see what's going on. So if you can actually see, this is my chicken shawarma, and this is the store-bought one. This costs $10. This literally costs a few bucks guys, and you decide what's in there. I've obviously used just lettuce and tomatoes in mine, and there's a little bit more veggies in this chicken shawarma that I bought from the shop. They used the beetroot, and if I'm not wrong, they also have jalapenos in there. So I guess that really boosted up a little bit of nutrition right there. But you don't have really control about what goes in your chicken in store-bought chicken shawarma. And also you've got the sauce. I actually have garlic mayo in this and hot chili, and all I have in here is some homemade yogurt. So yeah, so this is the difference. I don't think you need to do much to make your own chicken shawarma. You can definitely do this at home, and if you're ready, check out what you need. Grab a piece of paper and a pen, make your own chicken shawarma guys. It's much easier, it's cheaper, and you decide what is in your meal.